Having a strategic position, which brings the oceans together in order to facilitate the connection of continents, with a valuable national port network, and with the highest performance in providing transit services, Panama becomes the main access for international commerce and a leader in world connectivity. And without any doubt, it is the bridge for the whole world. Panama is one of the commercial routes mostly used worldwide. And thanks to this fact, commercial exchange goes beyond its boundaries. Panamanian logistics system, Panama Canal, ports, airports, railroad, allows global connectivity thanks to the multimodal services offered by the country. According to the World Economic Forum, Panama still as leader in port infrastructure in Latin America, improving support among important international ports, which provides a series of services to container ships, bulk carriers, tankers, and general cargo ships, as well as to passengers in cruise ship terminals. States-managed ports are an important link in world commerce and cabotage shipping. The most important are Bacamonte, Mensabé, Agua Dulce, Puerto Armuelles, and Puerto Panamá. There are important worldwide scale container terminals, such as Manzanillo International Terminal, Panama Ports Company, Balboa and Cristobal Terminals, Colón Container Terminal, and PSA Panama International Terminal. We must also mention the oil terminals, such as Petroamérica Terminal, Decal Terminal, Melones Oil Terminal, Petroterminal, Charco Azul, and Chiriquí Grande. Oil tanking Colón, Bahía Las Minas, Panama Oil Terminal, and Petroport. And finally, multi-purpose ports, such as Samba Bonita, Cruise Ship Port of Colón 2000, and Boca's Fruit Company. Panama reports approximately a containers movement of 7.01 million TEUs. Ro-Ro Cargo reports 168,000 vehicles, a movement of passengers of 737,000, and a fuel sale of 32 million barrels in 2018. Also, 84 million metric tons of cargo is moved every year, and a movement of 8,000 international shipping vessels. On the other hand, the arrival of cruise ships into the country is around 234 ships, allowing the entrance to the country nearly 737,000 tourists. Within this complete ports network, we cannot forget the Panama Canal as cornerstone. No other country has such level of entailment to its geostrategic and logistic call. Panama is a bridge for new business opportunities, benefiting with valuable logistic assets by air, land, and sea. This country is constantly looking for the needs of its clients in the maritime sector. For this reason, projects are being developed in order to improve the regional logistics strategy to its maximum. Panama's leading projects of future give to our Panamanian port system much more structure and competitiveness. As an example of these new projects, we have the future cruise ship port, which have the capacity to moor 2 vessels simultaneously, each one with a length of 360 meters. In a response to the demand of cruise ships, which at present time cannot moor in the Pacific coast of Panama. We must also mention AES Colón, which consists of a liquid natural gas terminal with a storage capacity of 180,000 cubic meters. This terminal is the first one of its nature in Central America and enhances LNG as an alternate, competitive, secure, and an environmentally friendly fuel. The visions of these projects, which we are developing in the maritime and port sectors, go beyond a country's strategy. We work for the benefit of a globalized world in which we live in. Panama's strategic position, together with the Panama Canal, the Panamanian port system, and its new projects, make it possible for Panama to have a unique structure at the worldwide level and which makes the world commerce to prosper in terms of all needs of the maritime sector, which is ever more demanding. In Panama, we boost the world commerce.